Hi, in front of me is OPPO A15 and today I would like to show you how you can enter text correction options on this device. Start by accessing settings. Now scroll all the way down, click on additional settings over here and click on keyboard and input method. After that, select your current keyboard, in my case Gboard, and go into text correction. As you can see, all text correction options are over here. If you want to turn on or off one of them, just click on the switcher next to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!